Well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to a 45-degree Tuesday, the 21st of September. I think when I got up, it was around 40. I'll have to ask Kelly. She gets up before me. She sees the real morning temperature. I was telling Kelly, I'll do a time lapse of all the, hello YouTubes in the mornings. Just kind of do a little 5-second thing through there. The car's locked. I hear Kelly back there clicking on the thing, but there it goes. Anyway, welcome to the day. It's beautiful. I think it's actually supposed to be warm today, like maybe 80 or something. Man, last night sunset was at 7:11, 7:09 tonight. Just clicking back. That's crazy that it's that point I can't go for a ride at night. Or it's getting hard to, like last night. Plus getting out of there late, that didn't help at all. I lost 25 minutes just in rides, just at the time I got out of work. Anyway, let's not fret over that. Let's enjoy today. Look, it's the whole family. That makes you smile first thing in the morning. Yeah. Well, there, Mama. Yes, you're all blue.
Am I blue?
It's blue looking outside, so the camera's actually doing the correct thing. It's just what it looks like. What's Tuesday, right? Yep. So have yourself a wonderful Tuesday.
You too, hubba.
And I'll see you through the passings.
All right.
Back to spider working today.
Very good.
Yeah. So that's it.
That's it.
We're out.
All right.
Love you. See you. Bye.
I love you, baby.
Bye now.
Bye.
Well, here we are on a 600 Ryker. I'm riding it because it has some crazy rear diff like that. You shouldn't hear that. You hear it when you shift from reverse to forward and you just grab a handful of gas. Go easy on it. Let the gears engage. It engages kind of like a constant mesh transmission between forward and reverse. But it shouldn't be doing it when I come to a stop. The crying shame here is I just went on my full test ride and come to a stop there and realized the lens cap was on. There's number 3. I told you they come in 3s. There's number 3, like in your face. The whole test ride is gone. What a crying shame. What a knucklehead. We'll go down my little hole here and we'll give her a walk around. Incredible stereo he's got on there. Awfully fancy looking. Wouldn't do me any good. I'd never turn them on. Ever. I'm out for the ride. I ain't. Number one, who am I to assume that all the people around me want to listen to my taste in music? I can assure you, most of them don't. You always hear people complaining about Harley guys blasting their radios, on their baggers. That's a shame. Missed the whole test ride. I just happened to look back there and went, why is it black? Lens cap. There's number 3, so we should be good for a while now. Yeah, she's making that. If you guys ever ridden the Rykers, when you go from forward to reverse, it's the engagement dogs have to fall in. So if you just grab a big old handful of that thing, it goes bang, and it sounds like it's coming from the rear. It's probably the sound is coming from the rear, but this one, It's enough. He's had it 1,000. She, I don't know. Had it 1,000 miles. You think you'd be used to it by now, but they're actually complaining that it's excessively loud. When I come to a stop and take off, it clunks like I'm putting it in gear, and that's unusual. Look at needles falling out of these fir trees over us here. That's what I see on the road when I'm talking about them. They do the same thing like pine needles if you guys aren't around these things, but they're really, really small, and they're pretty. I love the way they look when they collect on the road. Yeah, you're looking pretty good there, Ryker. And 600s are fun. You don't even think about the 900 when you're riding it. It's only when you ride a 900 you go, oh. Can't stop the tires from squalling, and it's got a lot of power, but literally, like I say, you don't think about it when you're riding a 600 at all. I like the Ryker being added to the sticker written on the side. That's kind of cool. It makes it stick out. That color combo is nice too. It matches the little clips for the lug nut. Well, they put the max mount and the rear seat kit on it. That's cool. Well, 600. Let's see if we get that transmission to free up a little bit and make you hear the normal sound. Yeah, if you're easy on it, it grabs, takes up the slack smoothly. Now if I grab a handful, hear that clunk. But it should do it when I come to a stop and go again. Of course, now it's not going to do it. I was hearing it a lot more earlier. Whew, it's hot out here. It's only 66, but I'm wearing that Climb vest and it is cooking me. Yes, did you hear it? At least I don't. Yeah, it shouldn't do that once it's already in gear. So the mystery is what's causing it. Alright, I'll take her inside here and do some investigating here. Alright, thanks for coming along for the very short ride, because I'm a knucklehead and left the lens cap on. Oh well, things happen. He is a looker though. I was thinking of the bummer of losing the first part of that test ride. Apologize for the white balance. You got too many mixing lights here. It was one of the details I don't think I told you in that last little part, because I lost the whole front part, is it was rear-ended. And I guess the noise and weird things came about after that occurred. So you can see the plastic and stuff is busted up where the license plate is. But what happened to make this noise? And there's another rattle that he said wasn't there. He, she, I still didn't pay attention to the name. That wasn't there before. So we'll get her up on the rack and figure out what it is. Man, these older twins, I highly advise you guys. You're finding these things for good deals. Stay away. Get a 1330. It needs to be 14 or newer. This is the second one. I think this is like a 2011, somewhere around there. Another dynamic power steering box failure. And because of the way the world is, the price of those things have jumped considerably. And it's a torque offset sensor failure. And it's usually what we've seen when we see those bad. They've just been sitting there. The DPSs have drastically changed changed since they went to the 1330s. We'd never have dynamic power steering issues of any kind. But yeah, starting to see they get older and they've been sitting around. That torque offset sensor is inside that DPS, and it is not a serviceable part. And the parts and labor are considerable. You know, I hate to say anything ill about spiders, but my advice is, no matter what the deal, stay away from the twins, especially in the RTs. That motor didn't like being all cooped up like that. The old RSs and stuff like that, those seem to be fine, especially the older ones. If you find one that's in good shape, got some miles on it, has been sitting and rotting for a while. Anyway, kind of a bummer, huh? Oh well. Well, hello there, YouTube. Dang it. Sun's behind the trees already.
Yep, snuck up.
Man, I don't think it's even 7 o'clock yet, is it? It's not, is it?
I don't know. 6:48.
Crazy. I think 7:09 is the official sunset here. Dadgum mountains.
I know it.
Hey, you guys seen it last night? Definitely. Mountains got in the way. But, oh well. It's always been that way. I don't know why. Around here, anyway.
Not gonna change
But different.
anytime soon.
The mountains are different levels, so it has a bigger effect at different times. It's kind of weird. She's way over now. I mean, the sun was setting way over there towards the north. Now she's moving towards the south.
Way over here.
Yeah. Dadgummit. Oh well. Winter's coming. Can't stop it.
No matter how much you try.
Yeah, you always think, oh, the days, they're not getting that much shorter. You know, after summer solstice, and then next thing you know, bam, whoa, wait a minute. It is getting shorter.
Yeah.
And the worst thing is when the time changes right around that 6 o'clock. About the time, I think last year it was like 5:59 was sunset. Man, next day that clock switched over, and I mean blackness.
Yeah.
That's the way it is for a while.
Yeah, that part sucks.
Yeah.
Bad.
Then when it rains, like during the rain, it's dark at 3:30 in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Them days are crazy short. You live in the dark.
Yeah.
That's it here in the Pacific Northwest. Imagine being up in Alaska and up in Canada and
Oh yeah.
places
3
like
months
that.
of darkness.
Yeah, that's
Or 3
crazy.
months of sunshine.
Yeah, they have to put certain colored lights and stuff to keep them going plumb crazy.
Yeah.
You could use that 5,500 degree Kelvin so it feels like sunlight to you.
Yeah.
That'd be wild.
That would be very strange.
Yeah, it'd be cool to experience sometime, but not anytime soon because it's cold up there.
Yeah, that's way cold. Don't like to be cold.
Yeah. Well, Mama, I think we ought to let these kind folks go before all the auto lights kick on and all that stuff.
Yep.
All right, we're going to bounce.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. And you guys have an amazing Thursday or Friday.
Heck yeah.
No,
All right.
Wednesday or Thursday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Wednesday or Thursday, yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to make the week go by faster.
I was already thinking of something else. Didn't realize you said the wrong days.
Yeah.
Didn't even dawn on me. All right. We'll see you guys in the morning.
See you then.
Thanks now. Bye-bye.